How to copy and paste from ChatGPT without the background. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Google Chrome, and once you are here you have to go in the search bar, and here you have to search for the Chrome Web Store. Now once you are in, you have to click on the chrome.google web store, and here you have to search the store that is copy for ChatGPT. You have to type this, and after that you have to press the enter, and here is the copy for ChatGPT. You have to click on it, and here you have to add this to your Chrome and also add the extensions. After adding this, you have to go on your ChatGPT, open up the new tab, go on the search bar, and here you have to search for the ChatGPT. Now once you're in the ChatGPT, you have to open the AI and try the ChatGPT. Now once you're in here, if you want to copy any text, you have to select the topic which you want to copy without the background and press the enter. As you can see, here is the option that is showing copy to clipboard. It is showing only because of the copy for ChatGPT which we previously downloaded, and if we copy this to our clipboard, as you can see here it is added. But if we remove the ChatGPT and go back to the ChatGPT and refresh here, as you can see the option is not showing here. So yeah, this is how you can copy and paste from ChatGPT without the background with the help of copy for ChatGPT.